What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna review my new car. Let's go ahead and see it. Okay, this is the time I'm gonna show the car. Change the way it looks different. Before it was aligned all the way over there, and AC over there too, you can see it, but this one is the same. The AC controls are different, but it works the same way as before. This I like this because before it was like a rectangle thing that was sticking out. Now like this is almost flush. It looks nice. And the steering wheel is different. It has the same buttons, but now it has this for the lines to keep the car in the center, in the middle when you're driving. It will warn you.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay guys, let me know what you think. This one is a 2017 Toyota Corolla in the Blue Crush. That's the name of the color. I think it's real nice. I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna lower it, put wheel decals and maybe more stuff. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please do a thumbs up and share the video if you can. If you wanna see more videos like this one, subscribe. So I have a lot of plans for this car and a lot of more videos coming with this new car. Okay, let me know your opinion, put it in the comments, and see you in the next video.